We're right here, starting again. The bones are made of living material called cells and of non-living material known as calcium and phosphorus. All right, I'm stopping here at the period. They're talking about bones again. I'm still under the topic of bones. I probably don't have to write that again because it's already in your notes from a previous notes. But yeah, they're talking about two different things now. Living material, so the bones have living material and non-living material. So that's an opposite. I'm going to do that one. And now I don't have to write material over again. I could just use those ditto marks, which means whatever is right above it comes down a line. So this saves me from writing material. I don't need to do that. I can just use ditto marks. So living material, non-living material. Okay, so what did they say about the living material? The bones are made of living material called cells. Oh, so I want to associate the term cell with a living material. And non-living material known as calcium and phosphorus. So the non-living material, what's not alive then, is calcium and phosphorus. Here's another tip for you when you're taking notes. Right now, the textbook has the term and it's right in front of you. The spelling, you can just copy the spelling completely from the textbook. So you're sure you have this. If you needed to say this word again, like a fill in the blank or in a short answer or an essay, you wouldn't have to search back into the text in order to find the word. Right now, you see it, so copy it so it's spelled correctly. And so it's readable for you, and then that will save you time because then you'll only need to use your notes if that appears again. These two minerals cause bones to become hard. Well, calcium and phosphorus, what two minerals are they talking about? In the last sentence, the only thing that was 1-2 was calcium and phosphorus. So these must be minerals. And that was a sneaky way to get it in, but that's what they are. So these two, maybe I'll arrow down in my notes and say minerals. And because it said two of them, maybe I'll go back and I'll number these 1, 2. Whatever works. This is where you have to decide how you understood that sentence and how you think you're going to be able to remember it. This is a time of trial and error for you. You're going to see how these notes actually work to answer the questions, which is the homework assignment. You're getting graded on answering the questions. That's what your teacher's going to collect. But this is your personal way of remembering what you read. And it also makes the answering the questions so much easier. Let's go just to this part. These two minerals cause bones to be hard. So we got minerals here. We're associating those with the calcium and phosphate, but they told us a why in this. Why bones have these two minerals. It causes the bones to become hard.